It's time to add a stage, but what's the right one for you? Introducing Chivari's StandUp Portable Stages. They're built to be just as strong as other systems, but at about half the cost. We engineered the stand-up stage for the ultimate combination of speed and industrial strength. Here's why our stages stand above the rest. Massive weight capacity. Beneath the surface is a full steel skeleton that delivers a floor rating of 200 pounds per square foot. Plus, our legs are reinforced with double tubing and welded bracing. As a result, a single 4x8 foot module can hold over 6,000 pounds. That's the equivalent of 40 humans standing on just one platform. Premium materials. Instead of regular wood, we used higher quality, defect-free, marine-grade plywood constructed with waterproof glue to prevent delamination and warping. Superior engineering. We secure our edges with black anodized aluminum E-channels. Unlike standard C-channels, our E-channel edges has a center ridge that digs into the plywood for a stronger, firmer edge. Professional finish. Performers can step confidently on our hex pattern anti-slip industrial grade surface. It's the exact same finish found on stages, 4 times the price. Attention to detail. We could have used standard galvanized bolts, but we used all black oxide bolts and nuts for a durable, lasting look on stage. Professional flooring. Our stage tops connect smoothly and evenly for flat, precise, trip-free, professional environment. And when it comes to setup, we've made it simple. Lightning fast. Our innovative quick connect rails and folding legs mean a complete stage can be assembled in just 10 to 12 minutes. Top-down assembly. You can connect panels right from the top of the stage. You will never have to crawl under the stage to connect panels ever again. Limitless options. Mix and match our lighter 4x4 modules with our 4x8 platforms to create a stage of virtually any size. Oh wait, there's more. Step onto the stages safely with our foldable steps that feature removable handrails. Our system folds for easy storage and transport. Plus, we also offer optional stage rails that quickly clamp onto the stage floors, then attach our rail clamps for a firm and secure finish. Our stage platforms come at a fixed height of 21 inches, and they're available in 3 sizes: 4 foot by 8 foot rectangular stage platform, 4 foot by 4 foot square stage platform, and a 4 foot by 4 foot quarter round stage platform. With these stages, you can create various shapes and sizes, including the 8x8 round ceremonial stage, an 8 foot by 12 foot rectangular stage, an 8 foot by 16 foot rectangular stage, 12 foot by 12 foot square stage, and 12 by 12 stage with round front corners. Competitors charge up to $1,300 for a standard module. Chivari's stand-up 4 foot by 8 foot module is just $5.99. You get an entry-level cost, but industrial high-end quality. Get the best durability and value today. Call 1-800-404-4847 or shop our website right now at chivari.com.